Takadosh Bokeror, we're just continuing with the halachot, the Siman Samech. We finished with Sif Aleph and now we go to Sif Bet. Says the Shulchan Aruch, Keshiyeh karov lechashecha, you have to ask your family members 3 different questions. Or that's what at least we think. We know that we say it in the Mishnah, B'mem Malikim, we say, Shelosha devarim tzarich adam lomar betoch beto, Erev Shabbat im chashecha. There are 3 things that you're going to say in your house, Erev Shabbat im chashecha, which means, mamash close to Shekiyah. So there's going to be 3 different things. Isartem, eravtem, valiko taner. Right? So obviously Isartem is to take off Turmot u'Masrot. Eravtem is to do the Eruv. Whether it's going to be Eruvei Chatzerot, usually that's the main one. Right? And then you have the last one, which is going to be Aliko taner. Are they all 3 questions?
No. Do first the last.
So, everyone agrees?
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, it's correct. The first 2 are questions. Questions means Isartem and Eravtem. Isartem and Eravtem is a question. Did you come and take off Maaser? Did you come and do the Eruv? If it would have been the 3rd one also of question, then it would have been Hidlaktem et Taner, right? Which means, did you already light the candles? Now that's not the question. It's Haliku et Taner. It's a tzivui. You are commanding your household, now go and light the candles. So the first 2 are questions, which means Isartem and Eravtem. And then the last one is Halik Wataner. Go light the candles right now. Now obviously, as the Gemara itself says, you're going to have to say this in a Lashon Rakah, which means you have to say this in a very soft tone. Because if you're going to put, right, the Gemara says if you put too much fear in your house, so then a lot of bad things will occur. There the Gemara was talking about whether it's going to be Chilul Shabbat, whether it's going to be even giving something of non-kosher to eat, and other things as well. And therefore a person should always be careful to say it. We live in Chutz La'aretz. Are we obligated to say Isartem? Why? Because since here we're living in Chutz La'aretz, you don't have the Chovav Trumot u'Masrot here. If it's coming from Eretz Yisrael, that's something else. But all the fruits and vegetables that are here, you don't have the obligation. And therefore, you do not have the obligation to ask your family members, Isartem. However, though, to do with the Hafrashat Chala, you do have an obligation, even in Chutz La'aretz, to ask whether they took off Hafrashat Chala, because also in Chutz La'aretz we do take off Hafrashat Chala, so you do ask your family members about the Hafrashat Chala. And the last one, again, as we already mentioned, which is going to be Haliko Taner, again, this is a patach, this is you're coming, you're giving a tzivui, right? It's not a Lashon Shelah, and therefore what happens is that obviously what you're going to do is you have to be careful that always before Knesset Shabbat they will come and they will make sure to light the candles on time. Remember, it's the man obligation to come and to prepare the candles, and then only the woman comes, right? And she's the one, because it's not talking about the preparation, it's just talking about the lighting. Because the man has to prepare the candles, and then the woman is the one that she comes, and she's the one that's lighting the candles because she has the mitzvah of these 3 things, obviously, from beforehand. So therefore, these are just the different halachot. Lina will continue tomorrow.